Welcome to this video. In this session, we will understand what robot.txt is and how it helps control how search engines crawl your website. Robot.txt is a simple text file placed on your website that tells search engine crawlers which pages they are allowed to visit and which one to avoid. The robots.txt file is located in the root directory of your website. For example, yoursite.com/robots.txt. Robots.txt is important for SEO because it helps you guide search engines and manage crawl budget by avoiding unnecessary or sensitive pages. The syntax of robots.txt is easy to understand. You define the user agent and the pages to allow or disallow. You should never block important content like your home page, product pages, or blog post because it can stop them from appearing in search results. You can test your robots.txt file using Google Search Console to see if your rules are working properly and no important page is blocked. Use robots.txt when you want to hide certain areas from search engine or when you are working on pages that are not ready to be published. Do not use robots.txt to block pages you still want indexed. Also avoid using wildcards or incorrect paths that block too much content. Robots.txt is a powerful file that controls how search engines interact with your website. Use it carefully to manage what gets crawled and what stays private. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about robots.txt, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.